Hi, I'm Alex, and in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing and first impressions of the Sony WF-1000 XM4. Really catchy named, but I'm a lot more excited than the naming convention suggests. So, I've had the Sony WF-1000 XM3s for the last couple of years. In fact, one of my biggest issues with them is that they're so big I've put them in an even bigger case because I couldn't fit them in my pocket easily. So this way I've put them on a little hook and I can attach them to most things, and that's been easier than putting them in my pocket. As well, just for comparison size wise, I've also got the Jaybird Vista, the original version, and the second version of these have come out. These were a lot smaller. I used these as my sports headphones so we can get an idea of how the size compares. So with that said, I'll move these two out of the way and I'll just have a look at the unboxing. So now let's have a look. How do we actually get this open? Let's take this off here. So I think one of the things that's been really interesting with regards to the packaging is I think it's 100% recyclable, which I'm actually really impressed with. So this is all cardboard, really heavy duty cardboard. Now this is quite nice. If I open this here, this is really, I haven't seen anyone else unbox these, but it's a really nice quality unboxing experience. As you'd expect, price wise, these are £250, which is right towards the top end of noise cancelling earbuds. So what have we got here? We've got a charging cable, a USB-C charging cable there, and then one of the big things with these new headphones is the ear tips themselves. So I think the mediums are on the headphones, and we've got large here and small silicone tips. And well, they're sort of silicone and sort of, I believe, sort of a, I can't think how to describe it, but more of a sort of sticky foam type thing. I think they're a nice durable material that gets quite a decent noise cancellation from what I've seen. So we'll go back to those later. Now I have to say, let's pull this off here actually. Let's follow, it's easier not to follow the arrow because there we go. So let's pull that there. And it seems to want to come off there. There we go. Now this case is even smaller than I'd hoped. Now I know I've got this in a bigger case, but there really is no comparison between how I'm having the XM3, the WF-1000 XM3s now and this. It's a lot smaller than I was expecting. And actually, the Jaybird, which I've always thought were quite small, they're very similar in size. Slightly longer as the Jaybird, but I think slightly thicker are the Sonys, but there or thereabouts. So we've got a little tab here. So if I open this, we'll pull that. I'm not quite sure what this tab is. It's just to protect them. Oh, there we go. Clicks in there. So there's the right headphone. Pull this out here. And there's the left headphone, and we've pulled that out there. Now it's a nice, feels like a nice quality case. Feels like a nicer case than the bigger case. In part, I think because it's smaller. We've got a charging indicator light here. Let's put this back in. Hang on. There we go. So nice, powerful batteries. See, that's not coming out at all. And let's just place them in with the medium ear tip right there. Now, all of a sudden, even just the right ear tip in, and I'm not sure if I'll be a medium or a large ear tip. That's already made things a lot quieter. In fact, let's go the whole hog and put these in here. Wow. So I've just accidentally turned them on, and this is very, very, I'll almost say strange, sort of nice. I'm hearing my voice completely differently because between the passive noise cancellation of these buds and the active noise cancellation which got turned on, that's quite powerful. It's almost quite disconcerting to be talking and then have that difference, but then that's the point of these headphones. These are class leading noise cancelling, or certainly That's what some of the other reviewers have been saying, and what Sony say themselves. They look and feel like a quality piece of kit. Now, interestingly, I've never found the WF 1000 XM3s that comfortable, but when I got them, they were the best on the market. I think they were the only ones on the market. I think they were the first ones to come out with noise cancelling. And I've never quite been convinced by any other headphones enough to upgrade from there. But these look really exciting. And if you've got any questions that you want to know, please leave them in the comments. And the next week or so, hopefully I'll put a review and some detailed thoughts about this product. So I hope you found that interesting, and I hope you're looking to know more about these headphones. Until next time, I've been Alex. Thanks for watching.